Namaste, welcome. Welcome to the online classes. Well, my dear friend, today I am going to teach you the poem that yesterday we have discussed. The late Isle of Ensafree, written by W.B. Yeats. William Butler Yeats. Yeats was a modern poet and he was born in Ireland. So here the poem. The poem is about poet's strong longing. The poet had a very strong longing for his birthplace, that is Ireland. You see, yesterday I have given you some hints that why we wish to go back to our hometown. Even the facility that is given is greater. The place like Patna, where you are living, the facility in Patna is better. But in spite of that, we wish to go back to our hometown. So the present poem, The Late Isle of Ensafree, is a poem that takes us into a nostalgia, the homesickness. The poet is bored. He is feeling bored in the city life. As you know, my dear friend, city life is a very busy life. It is full of helter and skelter. And in city, we don't have a time to interact, to stand, and to stare. A great poet has rightly said, what is a life if it is full of care? If our life is full of care, this is not my life, my dear friend. A life should not be full of care. A life should be full of peace. So here, the peace of mind is very important. Come to the poem. The peace of mind is very important. Here you see, the late Isle of Ensafree. The poem is well-known poem for its longing. Here the poet is longing for the peace of mind. The peace of mind and tranquility that the poet could get the place in Ensafree. This is the island. So the place Ensafree is a small place in the Ireland. So the place where the poet was born and brought. So he thought that the peace of the mind could be attained where he was born, because actually here you see his strong longing. He is recalling his day, the childhood day that he had spent and there the freedom and the peace that he has enjoyed, that is what makes the poet to think about that we should go to the place like Insafri. Insafri is a place where he has spent a lot of time a boy. The poet has a lot of time near a lot of time as a child, as a boy, the lake island, the lake island town of Ireland. The poet has spent a lot of time over there. So he is recalling, the poet is recalling that how, here you see, a lot of time as a boy near the Insafri. इंसफ्री के पास उसने एज ए बॉय बहुत ही टाइम को स्पेंड किया था उसने. ठीक है, चलिए लेट अस स्टार्ट गेम. ये 12 लाइन की पोएम है, 12 लाइन पोएम. फर्स्ट में 4 4 4 3 क्वार्टेरियंस. द पोएम इज डिवाइडेड इन 3 क्वार्टेरियन. पोएम जो है 3 क्वार्टेरियन है. 3 क्वार्टेरियन, 3-4 लाइन की ये दी हुई है. 1 quarter is equal to 4 line. So the poem is of 12 line. It is a 12 line poem, and the poem is divided in 3 quaternion. Three quaternions में poem को divide किया गया है. The poem is divided into 3 quaternion. Each quarter contains 4 lines. 4 lines. Okay. Now, here you see. Let us see. Let us come to the poem. Please see the poem. I will arise and go now. And go to Insafri. Here you see, what is the strong longing? Here you see the future thing. Actually, this is the poet wish only. He wants to go. Here you see the opening line. I will arise. Will is a future indication. All the thing is taking place in his mind only. He is only planning. He is talking about a future event. Here you see what he say. I will arise. Here you see, I will. It tells about the future. Arise and go now. Now here you see the now. Why now? Here enough is enough. अब मैं नहीं रुकने वाला. We say like this, na? This is the tone that the poet wished to. Why? Here you see now. The poet has matured. The poet has what? Here you see. I will arise and go now. Now means what? That means now the patience that he had for a long time, or the persistent desire that he wished to return his hometown, is a highest point of the thing over there. So he is tired. The poet is tired. Now, why he is tired? The city life has made him tired. सिटी लाइफ ने उसको क्या कर दिया है? टायर्ड कर दिया है. The city life has made him tired. He is tired, and what he wanted? He is tired and sick, and so he thinks that now enough is enough. Now it is time to arise and go. Understood? Now it is time. Here you see, the poet is stuck into a very bad situation of life. Here you can see that now it is enough. I have tolerated. Enough. I have spent the life. The poet has spent his life there. So now it is enough. Now, so it is time to arise and go. He decided. He is planning that now it is enough. Enough of tolerance, enough of time, or the city life has made him sick. Because you see, here the poet has attacked on modernity. Dear friend, the poet here is attacked on the modernity. Modern people have lost their sense. What kind of a sense they have lost? They have lost the sense of what? The modern people is what? We are only mad about power, wealth and money. Modern people जो हैं वो सिर्फ किस चीज के पीछे क्रेजी है? As we know that we all are crazy about what? We all are crazy about the materialistic thing. Materialistic thing ने हमें क्या कर दिया है? Materialistic things ने हमें mad कर दिया है. We are mad. We are mad after the materialistic thing, and materialistic thing has made our life sick. So we don't have time to think about those materialistic things. Now come to the next. The power is off. I think you will face a problem. I am correcting my class again. Now come to the I will arise and go to the answer free. Where he decided to go? The poet decided to go to the lake island town of Innisfree, that is situated in Ireland. Ireland is a small place that is situated. The place, the Innisfree, is a small town situated in the Ireland. That is a very small town where the poet was born. The poet was born into that place, and there he felt here the strong longing, a strong longing for what? The strong longing for his hometown. The poet's strong longing for the hometown is being talked about. So here you could see the moment, the mood the poet was in. The poet was in mood to return to his hometown. Why he wished to go to the? What kind of a peace is there? What kind of a peace he will get there? He will get there the mental peace. The poet will get mental peace over there. So, it's quite obvious here in this second two line, and a small cabin. And a small cabin. And a small cabin built there. और वह एक छोटा केबिन बनाएंगे. कैसा बनाएंगे? छोटा केबल, छोटा, small means छोटा, cabin. Cabin is what? That is hut. Hut. Here the poet wished to make a hut so that he could live over there. Here you could see, and a small cabin built there. There he wanted to make a hut and wanted to live into that hut. Why? Because he was in opinion that there he will get peace of his mind. There he will get peace of his mind. There he will get peace of mind. So this is what you can think about. And a small hut built there of a clay and wattle bed, there of clay, मिट्टी का, of clay, मिट्टी का एक छोटा सा घर बनाएंगे. कैसा बनाएंगे? And a small cabin built there of a clay. मिट्टी का छोटा सा घर बनाएंगे. क्या बनाएंगे? मिट्टी का छोटा सा घर बनाएंगे. कैसा घर बनाएंगे? And will build a small clay. and will build a house of a small clay. Sorry for the inconvenience. So here you see, and a small cabin built there. एक छोटा सा हट बनाएंगे. कितना? Here you see, small. You may see the size. Cabin is a hut. There of a clay. मिट्टी का घर बनाएंगे. Wattle made. What is wattle? Clay and wattle. Wattles. Please note down the meaning of wattle. W-A-T-T-L-E-S. The stick that is used, bamboo-like stick. The bamboo-like stick is used to make fence and wall. So here you could see in the two line, that is the first two line. Wattle made. Here you see the two lines, the two opening lines of the poem. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of a clay and wattles made. Here the poet wished to go. He wants to go to his hometown, the lake island of Innisfree, that is in Ireland, and there he wanted to make a hut. Hut of what? Clay and wattles. झोपड़ी बनाना चाहता है, and want to live there. Here this is what? This is the poet's philosophy. This is the poet's philosophy. Philosophy of happiness. Happiness, of course, happiness in city life is very challenging. Here the cost of life is very important, and it is high also. It is very difficult to maintain a life of quality in city. In spite of all the better facility that we have in city life, we wish to return back to our homeland. This is the philosophy of poet's life, that the peace of the mind can be attained only in the hometown, where you will have your friends, the old friends, the old surroundings, and all the things were quite familiar to you. That is why he wished to go back, because he was in opinion that if he will go there he will build. Actually, the poet is recalling his day as a boy. As a boy, once he was there, living in the hut. वो कह रहा कि मैं जाऊंगा. Future. The poet is in fact standing. The poet is in fact standing on the footpath of London. That is a very big, busy city. And there he saw the river passes by and it was lapping. That lapping sound takes him into the lane of memory. He recalls his day, childhood day, 9 Prince Road. So, do you have any problem? Yes? Hello? Hello? Am I audible, my dear friend? Come on, say something. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई क्वेरी है तो जरा पूछो यार, आगे बढ़ूंगा. इस 2 लाइन में कहीं को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताओ, जल्दी बताइए. What is the meaning of arise? What is the meaning of arise? Here, what is the meaning of arise? Get up. जब हम जागेंगे, get up. The meaning of arise is get up. I will get up and go. Now. Now is the now and then. अभी. अब मैं उठूंगा और चल चलाऊंगा. अब मैं नहीं रुकने वाला. Now, the next line. The next line. 9 Bean Row. Here you see. Nine bean rows. 9 means 9 columns. 9 rows. 9 क्यारियां होंगी. Rows of column. 9 row column of beans. 9 bean rows. So here 9 rows or the column of the bean was there. I will have there and a hive of honey bee, hive मक्खी का मधुमक्खी का छत, hive of honey bee, and I will live alone in the bee loud glade. Bee loud glade is in an open space in the forest where bee makes lot of buzzing sound. Bee loud glade, a place in the forest that is a bee loud glade is a place in the forest where a lot of, actually here you see, he is talking about honey bee. So where there will be honey bee, there will be a lot of honey bee and there will be buzzing sound, loud buzzing sound. Alone in the bee loud glade, and there he wants to live alone with the sound, loud sound made by honey bees. Loud honey bee glade is a place in the forest where the honey bees creates buzzing sound, buzzing like that, buzzing sound. Buzzing sound of the bee is being talked about. Buzzing sound of the bee is being talked about. So here you could see that the poet has strongly well, my dear friend, if anybody has any problem, 9B rows. Are you understanding? जल्दी जल्दी बोलते जाइए बेटा, फास्ट. जल्दी जल्दी बोलिए बेटा.